So Anna, when I visit clients and potential clients, we always talk about meetings and meeting rooms. And what I hear them discussing are that they sometimes feel like they're lacking meeting rooms, or they find it difficult to find a meeting room that has the exact equipment that they need for their meeting setup. I know many of them will use functions as Outlook and using the room features in Outlook to book these meeting rooms, but that is not your suggestion. So what is your suggestion for booking a meeting room in the most efficient way?
Well, I think you're right that a lot of companies use Outlook for this, and using Outlook can be perfectly fine if you're a smaller company doing some rather simple bookings. But as soon as your company grows a bit in size, there's just much more to it than just finding a room. Because people in the organizations today are very busy with their responsibilities and their daily tasks. So remembering the names of each meeting room, remembering where they're located, what kind of equipment is present in the different rooms, as well as the number of seats in the different rooms, just isn't your top priority or top of mind.
So what you're saying is using the Outlook room booking feature is perfectly fine for a smaller company with just a few meeting rooms. And then as soon as you go into a big company with several meeting rooms and several services around a meeting, you would use something more efficient for that, for instance, Planner.
Yes, I would definitely recommend using what we could call a dedicated solution for this that's able to handle the entire process. So we hear about some major obstacles that people are struggling with when they are using or booking rooms, which first of all is the amount of time they spend finding an available room. Secondly, they have to figure out if this room they've booked actually has the appropriate equipment for the meeting they're having. Then they have to make sure that the reception is aware and informed about the external participants that will show up. And lastly, they may have other service providers, such as catering staff, that needs to be able to deliver the orders and have all of this handled in one simple flow and save time.
So we're talking a lot about saving time as well, which I guess is super important for everyone. We always want to save time, but also how you are able to book everything in one flow. Guests, catering, equipment, the room, of course.
Yes.